Dun, 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 dun.
My silly little girl. Where are you going? Huh? Morgana. Come here, baby. Hi. That's some deep snow you got there. Oh. Why are you watching me?
You're sexy.
Hey, baby, come here. Hey. God, she's having a lot of fun. Oops. Come on, girl. I love you.
I love you.
Not like we got great plans to go anywhere or anything, but we're already out here and suited up. Where's my girl? Morgana? Oh, there she is. She's right there.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. I got her onto the sidewalk. That's what her problem has been this whole time.
Couldn't find the sidewalk?
Nope. But now that it's here, she's very much happier. Not that she won't go back out into the depth, but she understands what's happening here. Girl. Hi, girl. Oh, oh yes.
Oh, happy she's been outside.
Oh, she's so happy, honey. Oh, that tail. She wants to play soccer with the snowballs. Like she does with the milk caps.
Yep. Little Pele.
Yes. Hi, girl. Oh. Where you going? There she goes again.
She out here?
She's back under.
No, I'm gonna want you.
Out with the snow.
Do whatever you want to do.
Rest of this uncovered for you.
Where's my little girl?
under the staircase way.
Morgana!
See her back
There she is. Okay. Coming so quick, baby girl. Come on. Come on. This way. This way. Come here. Oh, she's missing the sidewalk. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Good job. Under the car. Huh. She's under the car.
there. Is she?
Yeah.
I was able to get Johnny sometime.
Morgana, baby. All right. We should bring the camera in for sure.
Yep. Here she is.
Gonna grab her?
Yep. Oh, okay.
Time to go in.
I know she wants more fun.
Well, if I thought you were gonna come back downstairs,
Stop.
you'd stay up on the deck.
Uh.
We want to go in.
Mommy and Daddy want to go in. And she would be like, oh no, I'm being brought back in.